I'm Steve, and welcome back to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, the simple, friendly place to learn AI one clear lesson at a time. Today, we're continuing our mini-series on the future of AI, and in this episode, we're looking ahead a little farther. People ask me this all the time. What's actually coming and when? Not the hype, not the fear, just a calm, realistic look at what to expect. So let's jump right into today's listener question.
Listen to questions.
Today, we're coming back to Sarah's question because it lines up perfectly with what we're focusing on in this episode. She asked, how fast is AI actually moving? And what should normal people expect over the next few years? Last time, we looked at the next 12 months. Today, we're expanding that window. And her question is the perfect setup for exploring what the next 3 to 5 years realistically look like. Last time, we talked about the next 12 months. Today, we're widening that lens to the next 3 to 5 years, the window where things start to feel different in meaningful, everyday ways. AI won't suddenly become conscious or leap into science fiction territory, but the next few years will bring real, exciting changes across almost every part of life. Let's talk through the biggest shifts you can expect. 1. AI will accelerate scientific discoveries. One of the most overlooked impacts of AI is how quickly it speeds up scientific research. In the next 3 to 5 years, we'll see new materials discovered faster, breakthroughs in clean energy modeling, improved climate predictions, major advances in drug discovery, AI-powered research tools that help scientists test ideas in hours, not months. This doesn't mean AI replaces scientists. It means research happens at 10 times the speed. Think of it as the world's smartest lab assistant, crunching years of possibilities overnight. 2. Medical advances will become everyday reality. Healthcare may feel the biggest shift. AI is already helping analyze scans, read lab results, and spot early signs of disease. But in the next few years, we'll see earlier cancer detection, personalized treatment plans, AI systems that monitor chronic conditions, faster, cheaper clinical trials, improved diagnostics in countries with limited medical staff. You'll likely interact with AI for routine health checks without even realizing it. Not replacing doctors, supporting them. 3. AI agents become part of daily life. Today's AI is mostly reactive. You ask, it responds. But the next generation will be AI agents, systems that can plan tasks, take actions, monitor progress, coordinate information across tools, work quietly in the background. Imagine an AI that manages your inbox, an AI that books your travel, negotiates prices, and arranges transportation, an AI that keeps track of your projects and reminds you of what matters at the right time. Not a robot, but an intelligent digital teammate that helps run your life. 4. Robots start showing up in useful ways. Not humanoid movie robots, but practical ones. In the next 3 to 5 years, we'll see warehouse robots that can handle more tasks, home robots for cleaning, mobility support, and simple chores, commercial service robots in hotels, restaurants, hospitals, improved factory robots powered by better AI models. These robots don't look human. They look designed for the job. Robotics moves from cool demos to real deployments. 5. AI supercharges the search for intelligent life. Here's a fascinating one. AI is now being used to analyze deep space signals, radio patterns, exoplanet atmospheres, telescope data most humans could never sift through. Within the next few years, AI could help us detect unusual signals faster, classify thousands of exoplanets, identify potential biosignatures, spot anomalies humans would miss. This doesn't guarantee we'll discover intelligent life, but AI dramatically increases our ability to notice if something unusual is out there. It's one of the most exciting intersections of AI and science. 6. The UBI debate gets louder. As AI automates more tasks, not jobs, society will start having more serious conversations about universal basic income UBI, reskilling programs, new forms of work, and productivity-based economic models. In the next 3 to 5 years, you'll hear UBI discussed less as an experiment and more as a potential policy conversation in several countries. Not because AI replaces humans, but because AI increases productivity so much that we need to rethink how value flows through the economy. 7. The workforce shifts into human-AI collaboration. The job landscape changes, not by eliminating people, but by evolving roles. Expect to see new jobs built around AI oversight, more hybrid roles combining creativity plus AI tools, huge efficiency boosts in small businesses, people becoming AI managers, not just employees. 8. Everyday life gets more seamless. This is the part most people feel first. Smart assistants become more conversational, more proactive, better at remembering context, and able to manage routines. Integrated across your devices. Your phone, car, computer, smart home. Everything works together more predictably. Not sci-fi, just smooth. So as you can see, the next 3 to 5 years aren't about AI taking over. They're about AI becoming more capable, more collaborative, and more woven into the tools and systems we already use. Not scary, not overwhelming, just a steady shift toward more helpful technology and more human possibility.
AI hot tip.
All right, here's your AI hot tip for this week. Start training your future AI assistant now, even before it exists. Here's the prompt. Act as my long-term AI assistant. Learn my preferences, my goals, and my work style. Based on everything I tell you, create a system that makes future tasks easier for me. Why this matters? In the next 3 to 5 years, AI assistants will have memory, context, and personalization built in. But you don't have to wait. By giving your AI patterns today, your goals, your routines, your preferences, you're building the foundation for the AI agent you'll eventually rely on. It's like teaching tomorrow's assistant how to work with you, starting now.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
All right, now to our final segment, Optimistic AI Thought of the Week. The biggest changes AI will bring in the next 3 to 5 years won't replace us. They'll empower us. Most of the breakthroughs coming in medicine, science, learning, and everyday tools aren't about taking humans out of the equation. They're about removing barriers so people can do more, learn faster, stay healthier, and focus on what actually matters. The future isn't about humans versus AI. It's humans with AI, and that combination is stronger than either one alone. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, including courses, tools, and helpful guides, you can explore more at aibeginner.net and inside the AI Beginner Academy. Be sure to tune into our next episode, where we finish up our future mini-series where we'll take Sarah's question even further and break down what 5 years and beyond in AI looks like, in plain English without the hype. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.